All right, 1956 Jaguar. I'm gonna do a little walk around video, show you every imperfection that I can find in the car. And we'll start here. Got the right headlights, fog lights, the Lucas fog lights. The bright work is all beautiful. The paint is right. I'll get the other side when we come around. The tires, he said, are about 4 or 5 years old, but 5 got the spare. That is just a scuff down here. That is not an imperfection. Tinted window. That also is just rubs. And these are just mats that are down here to protect the beautiful carpet. The top is brand new. We just put it down. I have pictures with it up. Again, bright work. Beautiful on it. Open the trunk here, and then I'm going to hold it because I just have one hand. Have the Jaguar certificate, book, the side curtains, knockoff hammer. The toolkit is in there also. And then you also have an electric Lucas brick there. Alright, I'm going to put that down now. Everything lines up. Not a mark on the paint. Nope, that's not one. Again, he's got mats in here just to protect the beautiful carpet work. Seats are perfect. Carpet in the back. Perfect. We'll get this side of the engine. And the bright work. And there is one little mark on the hood, which doesn't show when it's down, if you see that right there. It's a chip from down below here. And that's it. All right.